Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your data is a table or a pivot table so slicers work cleanly. Once done, click anywhere inside that table or pivot table, then go to Insert and choose Slicer. Pick one or more fields. These become interactive filters. You do this early because slicers only attach to recognized data objects, otherwise they won't appear. Make sure column headers are accurate and unique so each slicer represents a clear filter. Now you have visible filter buttons ready to control your view immediately. You configure slicers next to improve usability and consistency across sheets. Once a slicer exists, use slicer tools to pick a style, resize, and enable the search box for long lists. If you have multiple pivot tables from the same data model, click Report Connections to link the slicer to each one so filters apply everywhere. Remember to set columns and button sizes for compact layouts. Also use multi-select by holding Control or the multi-select toggle. This lets you combine criteria quickly without rebuilding. You finish by tidying the dashboard. Align, group, and lock slicers if needed so layout stays consistent. Once done, refresh your data or pivot tables to ensure slicer items reflect the latest records. Make sure slicer connections point to the intended data model if filters don't affect every table. If a slicer shows missing or unexpected items, check the table ranges and any relationships, then refresh. This resolves most issues. Finally, save a version with slicers in place so you can revert if layout changes break filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.